video, I'm going to throw it back to you, the viewer. You can't believe how many emails, comments I get asking for help related to some sort of engine problem in their old Mercedes. It usually goes something like this: hey Kent, my car runs rough, and when I come up to a stoplight it just quits, and sometimes it smokes a little bit. Can you tell me what's wrong? Well, I've got a problem here with this car. What happens is it just starts and quits. Sometimes it won't even speed up, and you have to hold the throttle and hold the brake so you don't over accelerate when you're trying to move it around, because suddenly it will just roar up and you come back down, and you can see here, you back it up and it just quits. This is a 6-cylinder dual overhead cam engine. You can see it's got fuel injection over here. It has a typical distributor here with spark plug wires and spark plugs. So what do you think, people? Should I start by changing the spark plugs? Should I change the oil? Should I change the fuel? What about the fuel injection system? I want you to chime in on the comments and tell me what you think's wrong with this car.